In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Gravis handheld remote control. First thing we need to do is unzip the back of the pad set. And then we can flip those side panels around to the front of the chair out of our way. Next, we need to locate the cable that comes from the handheld remote, which is the second one from the right on the top of the main control module. And we're going to disconnect that. And then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cable guide that secures the cabling so that we can pull that remote control cable through the chair. To install the new remote control then, fish the cable through from the side of the chair to the back. And then plug it into the main control module. It's important when you plug in these connectors to match the notch on the connector with the notch in the receptacle. That's the only way you can seat the connector properly. Then realign the cables and secure them using the cable guide you removed earlier. Okay, then we can close the backrest pad zipper. And we're done.